everybody, this is our 2021 Buick Encore. Now this video is also going to apply to many other General Motors models and maybe even some non-GM models of how to replace the battery in your transmitter. These could be commonly referred to as transmitters, or you could hear the word fob. Both fob and transmitter are the correct words for these guys right here. Now this vehicle does not have an ignition key, it's push button start, but we do have the emergency key here to get into the door so that if your fob does die, you can still get into the car and then insert this into the spot in the vehicle, which is in your owner's manual on where to put the fob if your battery's dead. So before we let the battery go dead, we're going to go ahead and we're going to replace this battery. It's very easy. Let me show you how. All right, so here we're going to start off with flipping it around. As you can see, there's a little push button down at the bottom, and that's where the auxiliary key or the safety key or emergency key comes out. Now you can use a screwdriver or other, I don't know, some kind of objects, but I like to use the key. I just stick it into the opening there and we just gently twist it apart. Now, a lot of these can be pretty tough, so you want to be careful that you're not giving too much pressure. So we're just going to gently turn it here. Actually, I'm going to flip it over. All right, so we got it unpopped. Now what we're going to do is we're just going to gently pull it apart. Now you might see stuff come falling out. So there's a rubber keypad and then there's a little circuit board. Don't panic. Nothing really serious here. Everything just falls back into place. So there we go. I'm just pushing the little board back in. Now here's the battery. It's held in with some little tiny clips. So I'm just going to use the key here. We're just going to pop that out nice and gentle. And we'll flip that around and you're going to see this is a CR2032. Now you can buy these at jewelry stores, dollar stores. You can buy them at the dealer, wherever you want. Just make sure you get a really good one. I got some energizers here. They're about $5 or $6. So we're going to snap it back in like it was. And then what we're going to do here is we're just going to line everything back up, making sure that all the pad and everything is back together. Just going to gently snap it back together, making sure that little chrome button there falls back into place. And that's about it right now. Once it's snapped back together, put your key back in. And there you go. That is done. Now we have a working remote. Well, working better than it did anyway. Super simple. Nothing to be worried about. Anybody can do this. Follow the instructions that I just gave you guys and you won't have any issues. If you do like videos of this 21 Buick Encore GX, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that notification button. If you go back on the channel, I also have an oil change video for this guy. Super simple. You can do it yourself. I promise you. Thanks a million, guys, and we'll see you next time.